Your phone just hit the water. Panic sets in. Do you reach for the rice, or is there a revolutionary sound trick that could save your device right now? We put both to the ultimate test to find out which method truly works and which one is just a myth. We've all been there. That split second of pure terror when your device takes the plunge. Your mind races. What do I do? How do I fix this? The clock is ticking, and every second counts. Most people grab rice immediately. It's what everyone knows. But what if that's the worst thing you could do? Today, we revealing the truth behind the rice myth and introducing a cutting-edge solution that uses sound waves to save your phone. One method is backed by science. The other, just folklore that could cost you everything. Let's talk about rice. For decades, people have sworn by it. Drop your phone in water, bury it in rice overnight, and pray. But here's what actually happens. Rice is a desiccant. Sure, it absorbs moisture from the air, but your phone, it's sealed. The water is trapped inside, touching circuits, corroding metal contacts. Rice can't reach that water. I tested this myself. I took a water-damaged phone, placed it in rice for a full 24 hours. When I opened it up, guess what? The moisture was still there. The screen was foggy. The speakers were filled with water. Nothing had changed except now there was rice dust inside the ports. That dust, it creates even more problems. Rice doesn't just fail to help. It actively makes things worse by introducing debris while you waste precious hours. Hours where corrosion is spreading through your device like a disease. Now, let me introduce you to something revolutionary. Water sound expulsion. This isn't some gimmick. It's pure physics. Your phone's speaker can play specific low-frequency sounds. These frequencies create powerful vibrations inside the device. Those vibrations generate pressure waves that physically push water droplets out through the speaker grills and any openings. The Apple Watch uses this technology. It works. I'm going to show you exactly how. I took another water-damaged phone, identical to the rice one. I opened a water expulsion app and played the frequency. Within seconds, I saw water droplets being ejected from the speaker. Tiny beads of liquid pushed out by sound waves. It's mesmerizing to watch. The app cycles through different frequencies, each targeting water in different parts of the device. Low rumbles for the main chamber, higher tones for the speaker mesh. After just 5 minutes, the visible water was completely gone. Compare that to 24 hours of rice doing absolutely nothing. The sound method is immediate, it's effective, and it actually works. The science is elegant. Sound is pressure. Pressure moves matter. Your phone becomes its own rescue device. Here's where we prove it definitively. Side-by-side comparison. 2 phones, identical models, same water damage, same submersion time. Phone A got the rice treatment for 24 hours. Phone B got sound expulsion for 5 minutes, then rested. After 24 hours total, I tested both phone, screen unresponsive in multiple areas, touch sensitivity dead, speakers completely silent, charging port showed corrosion, moisture still visible under the camera lens. It was essentially bricked. Phone B, the sound phone, perfect touch response across the entire screen. Crystal clear audio from all speakers, charging worked flawlessly, no visible moisture anywhere, camera lens perfectly clear. The difference was shocking. One method gave me a working phone, the other gave me an expensive paperweight. The winner is undeniable. Sound expulsion saves phones. Rice destroys them. If your phone hits water right now, here's your emergency protocol. Step 1. Power off immediately. Don't test if it works. Step 2. Find a water expulsion app or website. They're free. Step 3. Play the frequency for 5 minutes minimum. Step 4. Pat dry with a microfiber cloth. Step 5. Let it rest upright for 2 hours in a dry space. That's it. No rice, no superstition, just science. Want to prevent this completely? Invest in a waterproof case and a quality screen protector. $30 of prevention beats $1,000 replacement any day. Rice is a myth. Sound is science. If this saved your device, subscribe now. Comment your worst water damage story. Share this to save someone from disaster. Knowledge like this is priceless. See you next time.